Girl, you're sweet, but your love is so rough. Skin so soft, but your love is so tough. Baby, do you know love? We know you say you do, but this is how you show love. Girl, you're so rough. Lips so soft, but your love is so tough.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. This video is brought to you by So Good Shop. So thank you so much, So Good Shop, for sponsoring this video. Now let's jump right into this new synthetic wig. Alright you guys, before we get started, I need to make sure that you guys have done one thing. And I'm sure you're thinking about it in your mind right now. You're like, what do I need to do? What is the one thing, Jess? Jess, what are you talking about? Subscribe! Subscribe to this YouTube channel. I know that so many of you guys watch the channel and you're not subscribed. So make sure you take the time and hit that red button. It should be right down there or down there. It's somewhere. Find it and hit it and turn on post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me. Guys, we are going to jump right into today's wig. This unit is from Motown Tress. It's a human hair premium mix unit, which means that this unit is of a higher quality and a higher grade because you do have some human hairs in there with the synthetic fibers. This is a lace deep parting wig, and this unit is called HBLDP FIA, and this is in blue green. So this is what the unit looks like. It's kind of like a tousled shoulder length style with a nice deep bang. And I do believe the model is wearing the blue green color that I got. So this is what the unit looks like. Does look like she has some filler hairs in here. She does have the lace parting. It's a curved part and lace front around the edge. You do have a comb in the back with your two adjustable straps and two combs in the front. The cap feels pretty stretchy, so it should work for everyone, but let me not speak too soon. You got some nice tassel waves, and let me show you that blue-green. Very pretty. And it looks like the blue-green is just at the top. Underneath, I believe it's all blue. It's like a blue-black mix underneath. If you're curious about this unit that I have on my head right now, I do have a review up on this hair. So make sure you go ahead and click the link up here to go ahead and check out this unit. But make sure you finish watching this one first. Alright you guys, so this is LDP FIA, I believe it's called. I do like this little bang situation going on over here. It's super cute. It's really cute. I love the bang. I like how easy this side is to push right behind my ear, and by just creating a few baby hairs, I think this unit is like literally ready to go. I love the way it falls. I love the layers. I love the color. So I think I love everything about it. I'm trying to find a downside. You guys know I'm super hard on these wigs. You guys, I expect a lot, and when a wig wows me, 100%, it's definitely a keeper. This wig definitely reminds me of a unit by Main Concept that I absolutely love. It's still one of the top, if not my favorite Main Concept unit. It's called Jessie. This one is really giving me Main Concept Jessie vibes. I really like it. This one's a tad bit longer, and I think I do like that about this one, that it is a little bit longer than Jessie. Although these types of wigs, I just love bedhead type of hair. I love hair that looks like it's just tousled and flipped over. The parting space on this one is bomb. I don't really care about parting spaces too much, you guys. Like, I really don't. So a part is never like a make or break moment for me. I guess you could always, you know, trim some of the hair out. You could add your powder into it and do all that. But I just like tousled hair. And this is definitely giving me that with this shaggy bang and this nice little behind the ear move. So yeah, I love this unit, you guys. If you want to check out this wig, then definitely head over to So Good Shop and check them out, because this one is really cute. And I like Motown Tress because they are usually extremely affordable, although this one is a human hair blend, so the price may be a little higher than their normal, but you're always going to pay a little bit more when you have a premium style wig. So I hope this was helpful. Let me talk about the cap size. So the cap size, I'll be honest, is definitely like medium head. It's not going to be for my big head, my girls with a larger size head, because this wig is fitting me absolutely perfectly and my head is medium size. So if you do have a larger size head, you'll probably have to cut a little bit in the back just to give yourself a little more space. But I don't see that being a problem. Like, it would be very easy to do. All right, you guys, I hope you like this review. Let me know if you have questions. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. We just hit 25,000, so thank you so much, all my subscribers. I love you guys, and make sure you stay tuned for the slow-mos.
Girl, you're sweet, but your love is so rough. Skin so soft, but your love is so tough. Baby,